Hi friends, I'm Sarvin, your little cosmic explorer from KBS Universe Kids. Today, we're flying even farther beyond all the big planets, into a place full of tiny, icy worlds. Welcome to Pluto and beyond, the tiny worlds of space. Way out here, the sun looks small, and the light feels soft and cold. But don't worry, our rocket is ready for adventure. First stop, Pluto. Pluto used to be called the ninth planet of our solar system, but scientists now call it a dwarf planet. Why? Because it's smaller than our moon and has a very different orbit, sometimes closer to the sun, sometimes farther away.
It's a little world with a big heart, literally tall. When NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past Pluto in 2015, it took photos showing a giant heart-shaped ice field.
Pluto is made of rock and ice, with mountains of frozen nitrogen and a thin, hazy atmosphere. Even though it's freezing cold, about 230 degrees Celsius, it's one of the most beautiful worlds we've seen. Now let's meet Pluto's best friend, Charon. Charon is Pluto's biggest moon, so large that some scientists call them a double planet. They dance around each other in space, spinning slowly and gracefully. But Pluto isn't alone out here. It's part of the Kuiper Belt, a giant ring of icy worlds and space rocks orbiting the Sunday tie. This is where we find other dwarf planets like Eris, Haumea, and Makemake.
Eris is almost as big as Pluto, but lives even farther away in the deep freeze of space. Haumea spins so fast, it looks like a squashed ball, and Makemake shines with a reddish glow, like a frosty marble floating in the dark. Out here, it's calm, cold, and full of mystery. But these tiny worlds help scientists understand how our solar system was born. Pluto may be small, but it reminds us that size doesn't matter when it comes to wonder. Even the tiniest worlds can hold big surprises. I'm Sarvin, and this was Pluto and Beyond, the tiny worlds of space. Next time, we'll travel to something different, the moon and Earth's friends. Until then, stay curious, dream big, and always reach for the stars.